to when a class teacher says something, then the counselor goes and talks to that.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. I would like to say something. All of us here feel that class teacher and the subject teachers, they are the best people. They are in a best position to handle the whatever differences are there, learning differences in the children. So it's basically the class teacher and the subject teacher who is handling everything. And only in extreme cases where the teacher feels that special help is required, then the counselor is approached and the parents are contacted. Otherwise, the class teachers and subject teachers, the kind of experience we have, and I also feel, ma'am, that a teacher is the best person to deal with the child. Counselor also.
Do you have any students who are physically disabled, like in a wheelchair or polio afflicted or something? You don't have any?
We have undergoing chemo and we have a list of all these.
And we inform the class teacher is informed regarding such things that they have responsibility.
Maybe send the forms to the parents. They have to mention about home.
Even if they were, they said no.
So there are some people who hide, especially if you're talking about this catchment area. They are slightly conservative, and they don't want girls especially to disclose ailments.
Ma'am, you won't believe, initially they wouldn't even know their blood group.
Yes.
When we asked them,
CBSE has made it mandatory.
They have a record.
So you have 2 medical checkups for the 9th and 10th. At least for others, it might be just an annual feature. But for the 9th and 10th, we are supposed to have 2 mandatory medical checkups.
We get it done and we send to the parents that report.
And one more thing, there might be cases of separated parents, divorce,
something
in the process, and mother coming and saying that don't give the report card to the father, you should not be allowed to meet.
all types.
So how do we deal with those?
Ma'am, we have had issues like this. There's a lady who's fighting a court case. Earlier in the admission, she's written before the father's name late.
Oh dear.
Late Mr. Or whoever. Because the name had to be there. Now she says I'm fighting a court case and divorce.
There's such a huge population.
Rest we hire. Rest we hire, rented.
So how many total school buses?
About 20. We have double trips, so the
Primary,
like first we send the juniors, then the same buses come back and they take the same.
That means most of the children also come on their own.
Then these days, there's another trend. The parents make the arrangement for vans and their own private cars.
How safe
They are not, but the parents they don't listen because they don't have to. We send them a circular that they are using those gas.
20 packed in a Maruti van. I've seen that.
Happens all the time.
We tried, but then this is an outside agency. The parents are agreeing, so how can we intervene? So the minute they are out of the school, then it is not our responsibility.
Because junior section,
Maybe I can't.
Deepaji, the thing is that in a school bus they have to come and stand. This is in fact.
What do you do for latecomers?
We don't allow them to enter the school.
The very first time they are late, or do you give them a couple of?
Now they know the system that if they are late, they have to go back.
initially we face a lot of
Things first time, okay, second time. Then there used to be fights
How
about.
do you know we do that? We allow them second time, third time they are supposed to go back. So we maintain a record.
You have to never come across such a thing.
Actually, we have very few latecomers because they know they have to go back.
They are there. But
We have never come across
cell
any
phones?
Cell phones we were keeping.
I saw a child enter your school, a senior with a cell phone. And was talking to cell phone outside as I was coming in, and he put it in
every day. So every day 4 students of my class, they get the cell phone, they give it to me and they collect it at 150.
They submit to the class teacher while going back the ticket.
This is allowed for seniors class 11.
Collection of cell phones with Mrs. Singh. They're lying.
What do you do with them? Like we give them at the end of the year.
That's what we do. With the application from
He came panicking to the reception early morning. Not actually. Ma'am, by mistake, I've got my mother's cell phone. The quantities. Please take it from me. I've got my mother's cell phone by mistake. Please, I didn't want to take it. I don't took it from him.
Economics, I mean, sometimes I feel I'm not teaching language, but other things take priority over, simple language teaching. So it's basically an across the curriculum approach, value education. It's not just restricted to Ved Path and.
Actually, this is a hidden curriculum.
It's the hidden curriculum.
You always look for values that can be teach through the subject, through the language.
Now CBSE is evaluating those also. Now there's a 5 marks in core subjects for value education. questions there will be based on moral values. They've named some subjects also.
Do you have a reward system in your school?
For students, yes. There are
Scholarship.
reward cards.
They're not academic reward system. I'm talking about value reward systems. A child has done something outstanding.
They get appreciation cards.
Or
We announce in the assembly and the congratulations to students and the teachers.
then we give them free picnic also. One free picnic.
What's that? Sorry.
One free picnic.
Otherwise it's a paid
For the class which has been well behaved throughout the year.
So that is free picnic for them. Say 400 rupees for the haircut.
There's a problem.
Parents,
Schools are expected to do parenting these days.
Yeah.
Right.
Parents expect the school to do the parenting for you.
See, these things are given in the diary also in writing. Then we tell to the parent that this is instruction for you, you don't read it, you don't follow. So the school has to.
I just set one example once. It was my chairman's nephews who were in the school. So in spite of repeated reminders, they were not getting their hair cut. So finally, I rang up the chairman. I'm sending them to the barber with the clerk, and they're going to have their hair cut. And everybody in the new school knew who these children were. So since then, we've never had this problem. So if it's chairman's nephews who could be subjected to
So that is actually an example for others to
very
copy.
similar, it's a very silly story. Lalu Prasad's youngest son, who's a cricket fellow, was in our school. He used to come with hair till here. But I was the headmistress then. 3-4 times I tried telling him, cut your hair, cut your hair. One day he came with this fat man called Karo Babu, who's Lalu's OSD or whatever. He says, who are you? To send, oh, we said we'll send the boy back, and we put him in the school car, sent him back home. So promptly he was brought back with by Karo Babu, who said, how dare you send the boy home? You don't know who he is. He was a minister of railways at that time.
Yeah.
You don't know who he is, and this is what you do. हम देख लेंगे, हम Mr. Chona के पास जाएंगे, अशोक चंद्रा के पास जाएंगे. I said you go to anybody. He cannot come with hair till here. It's not acceptable. Sent him back home again with that Karo Babu. Unfortunately, when this boy reached home, who was standing there was Laluji. So Lalu asked him, why have you come back? So this boy said, teacher sent back. बहुत अच्छा किया, बाल काट के जाओ कल. So sometimes
the
other people, the sycophants, are the people who encourage these.
They put pressure on
He came
you.
with his hair cut the next day because the father had told him go get it cut.
Here we have Councillor Pooja Yadav.
What's National Institute of Public Cooperation and Child.
You've not done the CBSE.
First class, no. I have not done that, but that course is also RCI recognized. It's been recently recognized.
I think recently we have Tarun Nagar.
Yes.
To conduct a training.
Do you assist the CBSE in some counseling, adolescent issue workshops and things?
And not many things like.
Have you been outside Delhi to conduct
Not
workshops?
many times again as a resource person, as a nodal teacher trainer. I'm a master trainer for AEP, Adolescent Education Program. And counseling, yes, जो CC के लिए हुई थी, life skills, attitudes, values. For those workshops also I went as a resource person. And if there are some events which are
I know.
if there are
Take a chair.
majorly behavioral, but academic issue definitely that's I won't say that everyone is a slow learner, but yes, there are lot many issues like they don't know how to study, they don't know how to manage their time. So somehow they're indirectly linked to the academic.
These are general issues. Any specific, like a slow learner, ADHD,
Slow learners there are, LDs there are, ADHD also बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं. But again, what I am seeing is that there is a shift, increase in the behavioral problems, academic issues. Then also there are sometimes students feel कि हो जाएगा.
How do you deal with ADHD?
The first part is identification, definition. After this, I will usually take an individual session with the teachers who are teaching those students and give them certain guidelines which need to be followed. Okay? And then I have an individual session with parents also sometimes. Sometimes, rather, every time we have sessions with parents also. It depends on the parents' attitude also towards the program, because sometimes they will feel there is no issue like that. Sometimes they will agree to me. Sometimes it has took me around 2-3 years to convince them that yes, this is ADHD rather than just a normal radiation.
Can you give an example of intervention for an ADHD?
I do contract, behavioral contract.
Explain that please.
It's for this period of time when you are going to get this thing. So in association with parents, rewards and punishments won't be monetary types, but something like which they really like doing. Tangible, something like if they are really keen for playing video games, so I will try to give those.
मैम थोड़ा सामने देखिए।
Aerobic classes. This is the open space. सामने नहीं जा सकते।
Five, six, seven, eight.
We have two standards. One is preschool and one is pre-primary.
So your preschool is at what age?
3 plus.
3 plus. And your pre-primary is 4 plus. And then
Seniors. The age group is decided by the board.
Right. So you have 3 plus
And pro, as in this.
So on a regular day,
Yes,
after class comes?
No, the whole class. 3 classes are allotted in a single day. 20 minutes each section. Both teachers are there. And for Taekwondo, 2 teachers are there.
And how many teachers do you have now?
We have 21.
And you have one teacher per class?
Yes, 1.5 teacher per class because we have 6 other teachers also, like one for art, one for music teachers.
But you don't have 2 teachers in this?
No, we have only 1 teacher. When some activities require more than 1 teacher, then we arrange from the Yeah. This is the dances, how we are performing dances. Just one dance.
किसको स्कूल अच्छा लगता है?
सबसे अच्छा क्या लगता है? कौन सा क्लास?
सबसे अच्छा क्या लगता है आपको? सबसे अच्छा क्या लगता है?
क्या अच्छा लगता है?
गाना, डांसिंग, पढ़ाई। पढ़ाई किसको अच्छा लगता है? You also like to read? How many can speak English here? Put your hands up. How many can speak English here? You can all speak English?
Both hands up.
Very good.
This is an outer of the theatre. Here we need more than 2 people at least. So we provide 1 teacher. And first of all, they have to copy the footprint and balance their body. They try to put their foot on this footmark. And this is a beautiful activity that is the balancing in how we look and have a look how they are.
Do you work on those PEC cards that have been given out?
Ma'am, I will show you in the office. They all are there.
Come.
Yes, stand up. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. There are new cases.
Sit down, please. Sit down. You were enjoying the story? What was that telling you?
Okay. So, I've got a bag with me today. There is something in my bag today. Let's see what is there in the bag. Okay? Okay, let me just put it here. Let me see what is there in the bag. Ooh, I've got a cake. A candle. A candle. Okay. What else? Crow. I've got a crow. What else? What else? Let me just see. Dart. I've got a dart. Okay. What else? Ooh. I've got some colors. I've got some colors. Very nice. What else? What else? Let me find. Let me find. Ooh. I've got a wow. I've got a wow. I've got a wow. What else? What else? Ooh. Here comes the cat. Here comes the cat. This is a cat. Hello everybody. Hello. Yes. What else? What else? Tell us of what things to go. What is this? Car. Wow. This is a car. What is this? A camera. What is this? Camera. And now, something else? Yeah, I've got something else. What is this? Camel. What is this? Camel. What is this? Camel. And I have something else still. I have got Coca-Cola. I've got Coca-Cola. I've got a cat. I've got a why have I got all these things today? Today is Cuckoo Cat's birthday. Today is Cuckoo Cat's birthday. Yes, this is a birthday. Cuckoo Cat is going to get ready for the birthday. It is Cuckoo Cat's birthday. Now, Cuckoo Cat is going to the cupboard. Cuckoo Cat is going to the cupboard and she is taking out her new clothes. She is taking out her new clothes. Now she is going to put on her new clothes. See, she's getting ready. She's getting ready. She's going to put on new clothes. See? She's getting ready. She's putting on new clothes. And what is she going to put on her head? Can you tell me? It's her birthday today. What is she going to put on? She's going to put on a cap. She's going to put on a cap. She's looking so sweet. Yes. Now it's time for the birthday. It's time for the birthday. And her friend Camel. Her friend Camel. Let us sit here now. Okay. Her friend Camel. He has got colors for her. He has got colors. What has the camel got? Colors. And And a K for the cuckoo cat. For the cuckoo cat. Now the party is going to start. What is going to start? The party is going to
Just show
start.
the LCD also, but lesson के बाद how the next step lesson.
This is C says ka. Ka for camel. Ka for camel. Let's see who is going to come out next. Ka for, let's see. Ka for colors. Ka for colors. Okay, what is going to come on next now? Ka for candles. Very good. And ka for crow. Very good. Let's see next now. Ka for egg. Ka for egg. Ka for
ये अभी हमारी बुक्स सारी अभी सभी बुक्स निकालना है इनको बता देंगे any note story yes we are writing related mostly pattern yes and then we need to propose what is and then it's pattern writing also and then we go to the
writing
and then we go to writing phonetically I found that now the music whatever they do because now we do just show their notebooks
he still can't. He just don't plan. Can you imagine 3-year-olds now? They're so tiny. They are not even toilet trained, and some of them text me.
Yes, these are the problems we have.
Very big problem. And they're in nursery.
Yes.
Yes. No, and the kids
Yes, that is how we
beautifully written.
No, actually,
Are you sure a child has written this?
yes. In front of us, it is a classroom. You can just see. And girls, no?
How old are they?
एक बार किसी से लिखा था
This is this year. We've already done it.
No, ma'am, at this stage, our target is not to check their writing skill. It is just for identity.
Alignment is very good.
Alignment is very good.
We haven't been able to. And you starting the small letters.
Yes, ma'am. Why small letter was raising? Just explain to her. You are
Most of the print is
you
in the
can.
small.
I am print small and
once it goes it's learning by doing. It's just fearless learning.
But can you show me a child who is not that good? This is a very good job. Can you show me the...
Okay, one more thing. Tell me, it's easier for the child to draw straight lines,
Standing line,
diagonal, horizontal, vertical, and so on.
and curves are very different. I mean, I understand logically, for reading purposes, this is a better way to do it. But when it comes to handwriting, I thought practice writing was more lines.
1.5 months.
You never know just
Now, earlier they have just done pattern writing, they have done it on the plan copy.
Yes,
They have a pattern writing book,
1.5
they've done
months
it
that's
that.
right.
They did it on blue sheets in the class. So only after doing it for 1.5 months, then we came out with it.
Can we see a very average child?
any child you can ask any child.
This is very, very, very well.
We are not. They are so young. We can't now. Yes. We got happy notebook निकालो. Oh, see,
Divija, show me your copy. Divija, show me your copy. Wow, very good.
Let them write. Try to give them all kinds of.
What color is this? Yellow. Yellow.
One is red, yellow. Others are not yellow, red.
Red, yellow. They are doing red and yellow. But this child here has a number of colors. No, we have different colors. That is why
We cannot force them. If they color apple black, then we also accept it.
Yes.
Very good.
Absolutely. That's very innovative. It's creative.
There was a child in our school, he just draw this holes of electricity and the wires. Always his processes.
Srijan.
कहता मेरे घर के बाहर है.
Vanshika, very good. Red and yellow. Yes. Everybody is doing it red and yellow.
What is the average age here in the class? What is this age? 3 and a half?
3 plus. 3 years, 3 months. 3 years, 6 months. 3 years, 7 months.
When you start the written work with the stage, after 15 days you write.
After we are using crayons.
Yes. Okay.
We are using crayons. We are not using pencil at all.
We will switch over to pencil in the month of November. Do you start with the Hindi letters also? No, Hindi.
No Hindi.
Just asking you.
No Hindi. No Hindi.
So you shifted to pre-primary level. So what is the broad syllabus you follow here? Small letters, small case,
First
A,
we
B,
are emphasizing on language skills, which we are using English. There we have the pattern, everything, speaking, reading and writing. Then we have our cognitive skills. For math we are doing all this pre-writing skills. This is for pre-writing skill.
cognitive pre-writing.
This is pre-writing. Why is it pre-writing? Sequencing skills and they are understanding the patterns, colors.
What do you do for pre-number concepts?
Sorting, matching, pairing.
So do you have any activity cards for that? Can we have a look please? वो child काम का दिमाग दिखा दो.
वो भी है, we have
तो हमारे लिए actually ये activities आपको ग्रुप में otherwise it was one by one or we just do the outside. और good and otherwise we will then see arrange on a timetable like this. वो आप child काम के whatever you doing on your
enjoying in your notebook.
You actually follow your activities. That's what I want.
Yeah.
Like sorting, for instance. For sorting, what
sorting I can, sometimes if I have to tell them to bring Rajma and all. So sometimes they are not bringing. I am bringing Rajma and Chana. They have to sort Rajma.
Based on the shape, based on the colors, based on the size.
Everything on the concrete objects. They are very small. You have to ready for them.
There is nothing on it. Child आप में सिखा दो ना.
Join and enjoy करना.
नहीं, जो आपका child का बॉक्स उसमें कुछ है या दूसरे के पास है. Actually हमने जो हमारे पास child का kit है, वो child की टेबल पे child का kit है. And then we distribute the material.
I have this thing.
Yes, yeah.
Things that both are right.
They're doing matching and sorting and okay, so you have for maths, you have for objects. You can integrate English with the EVS, isn't it? सब सब्जेक्ट में हो एक जब हम कोई कॉन्सेप्ट लेते हैं तो फिर सब हो जाता है.
साइंस को तो बहुत अच्छी तरह
नहीं कोई काम किया है कि सेपरेटली कर सकते हैं. अब ये जो दे रहे हैं हम इसके अंदर we are teaching them language also.
Exactly what
you work through these activities we are developing their fine motor muscles. We are giving them the concept of colors. We are teaching them the patterns. We are giving them the work experience, social and emotional.
Are there lesson plans developed for this? Are there lesson plans or something?
Yes, lesson plan. This is our lesson part. What do you do for English? This is the lesson plan that that is the oral part. At the end of the year, what would the child have completed?
At the end of the year, they come to topics. That we have that 4-line topic.
Do they write complete alphabet?
At the end of January and February.
What are the outcomes at the end of the year? That is the marks.
They are able to write.
How much? What is the prescribed syllabus?
70%. 100 paragraphs of MPC, which is 30 are up to 90 marks.
And maths, what do they write numbers from 1 to 10? Start with questions or
Up to 9.
so yes, and now do we say once a unit?
Yes, no, not yes.
It can't be done from also.
Yeah, very good. Very good, very good. After that, red and yellow, good, good.
Bus number 1 will always. Yes. So that will after the school they are sent to the centers. And look how the teacher is managing the participants. One आया.
कौन सी कार है? कौन सी कार है? आपको कौन सी कार अच्छी लगती है? Tell me. Arab, which car do you like most?
Who likes cars?
Who likes cars? Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Who likes cars?
किसको कार अच्छी नहीं लगती? पापा की कार में कौन जाता है? आपको अच्छा लगता है?
Very nice, huh? Good. They are all very busy. Yes. They have no time to talk to us. Yes. Right. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Hello. Start writing and drop it. Start writing. Right. And what is this? Very good. What is this? Bag, balloon, bat, ball. Bell. It's a bell or a bag? It could be a bag. What is this?
Boat, like a boat.
Your own imagination, that's a boat. What is
वो तो बंद हो जाएगी। कैमरे को फोन
Amazing. I'm a very good dancer. That's why. You can't do this.
बस कर दी सर.
चेहरा फोटो खींचना है अभी खींचता हूँ।
So the things are more clearer with the use of this test. And on the blackboard also.
You'll be dropping it. But tell me, you got this method. What about this one? How will the teacher writing this then? Very good. Go back this. Go back.
There's the lane. This is only structure. Right.
It's only for it's something like an unconscious.
एक्सक्यूज मी, हाँ जी एक सेकंड, थोड़ा सा इधर आइए। खोल दो गेट, खोलो पूरा खोलो।
Not a small school maintenance. For quotation.
Okay.
And we
You don't have a civil person here.
we have appointed, but he's on contract.
You have a mason, but not a professionally qualified civil
That
engineer.
person
We have the engineer, as in when it is required, we call them.
He comes from
He
the
is appointed
society.
on contract. Then this money will, this much money will be.
Oh, okay. So whenever you need him, you get him.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's contractual.
No, daily is not required.
He is not. No, but yeah, depends. He is. And the generator kicks in everywhere? Not your ACs.
No, ACs are and what cases are switched on.
Okay, and what about your computers? All your computers?
They work.
They work. Thank you so much.
We take some time with that time and we can have another plant to see counters that people are working there.
We have an plant.
There's an RO plant.
It's at the block.
And what about your fire extinguisher?
We got a certificate also that.
I saw that fire.
Yes, firefighting is on.
Yes, so we saw the document.
It is mandatory now by CBSE.
Yes.
So all the things CBSE.
Your completion certificate, though, you don't have.
No, that they
See,
give
for what
people, they
reason?
don't
Something
give.
we
No,
put
but DDA is not issuing the completion certificate.
They don't give. They don't give. I don't know. So many long
Now we give a C format or D format, we put something there.
Now they are not issuing.
But your school is a old school.
But we don't have.
आपने apply किया है?
Yeah.
No, we have.
No, DBS has very influential.
No, also
Even in the civil services, you know.
target करते हैं they also target
हाँ, they
those
do,
schools.
I know.
High profile schools
My
target
daughter
भी
studied
करते
for 2 years.
हैं इसलिए डर भी लगता है
Yes.
आगे आप जाइए तो आप कंप्यूटर
He's a hardware person.
hardware person. So this is your main server room.
Yeah.
From here you
That is
The
a
resource room.
resource.
you have a
Yes,
resource
yes.
center. This is our cyclostyle room.
Photocopy and cyclostyle.
It's also a store. It's also a store where we
Under
keep
आप अंदर जाके ले लो और
major store पर ना all the stations are
Who issues stations?
ये दोनों फोटोकॉपी है वो डुप्लीकेट है उधर खड़ा होगा सामने
I'm a floor in charge, so you know things are being provided. So it's only suddenly something.
So suppose there's a teacher who suddenly decides I want to give an extra assignment of say to 100 or 200.
No, earlier we had that system of photocopying, but now we wanted to make it less paperwork. So now we put it online, everything. And so we now, they give them, they don't have these sudden urges to give assignments. The thing is there. upload it on the.
So how does the child?
No, it comes on the whiteboard. No?
You have
these
a
whiteboards.
interactive.
Yeah. So it comes on the whiteboard.
Oh, that's it.
This server room.
For the whiteboard, and you have whiteboard with everything.
सर्वर बता दो कौन कौन से CCTV बता दो इनका भी साथ में लो ना, ये इंचार्ज तो यही है।
आर्य सर भी जा रही दोनों सब क्या आएगी। ये ले पूरा रूम आ गया।
No, I have to make a comment. You people are working with Sophie, and I know my God is not people in here. They work for some of the people. They are political. Even then, the number of admin staff that we have in hospital, easily.
Not required.
That's what I said.
Send somebody to get a training here.
Honestly, I think everybody learns from everybody else.
Everything is on computer these days. It will become easier.
Which other?
And you have to pay for so many people also.
Adapted for one section.
That's why I said we have a civil engineer.
Okay, so this is our Jagdish where we perform normally.
We can bring slipper room.